here is the property, has a beautiful gate and a long driveway to the house. So it's very, very private. It spans practically a whole block. On a very quiet road. Okay, just opened up the gates. So this is another large field. There's hay potential here as well, just down the way. And this is the driveway all the way up to the house. The driveway was recently updated as well. They regraded it and just made it really functional and usable. Oh yes, and there's water here as well. So I'm just going to stop here. So the driveway splits in two. So you can take it to where the animals are and the outbuildings. And then this one goes to the house. And then this goes up to the fields. So there's actually road access into the fields and around. And here's the house. So driveway to the house, garage, carport, house. There's the garden in the back there. Oh, water fountain. Raspberries. Chicken coops. Lean-to shelters, tons of wood. Another shelter, hay storage. And then here is a little paddock for the horses, and this is the barn. So it has a couple of stalls. Another in and out for a horse or animals. This is a really big shelter, great for cows as well. And that's fenced off out there as well. So a lot of paddocks, a lot of fencing, a lot of fields. Okay. This would be the backyard, orchard, garden, and greenhouse is over there. And this is another big field for the horses. So everything has been limbed. So you have a nice mountain view over there of Banridge. Hardie board house. Updated recently. There's the garden. Fenced, of course. Water, that's important, have that close to the garden. Greenhouse, and there's actually another little paddock here, and another field behind there, closer to the road. Okay, so this is the entryway. It is on this beautiful concrete floor. And here are the stairs to go upstairs. Look at the detail. It's absolutely amazing. And these guys have a gym here. This is a little bit of a rec room with a gym. It's nice and cool in here, which is nice when it's warm outside. And there's a closet here, I believe. Oh, mechanical room, that's what it is. That's right. And the cold room is through here. For canning, preservation, storage in general. It's just a great space. It's actually a pretty good size. And then we have this little area. I would love to see an office space here or something like this, because it is quite large and it's like a little nook. You could do bookshelves or a little desk in there or anything like that, a little study room. And this is one of the bedrooms. It's huge. Let me just walk back here. It's a really, really nice room. A lot of natural light, and it has, so basically all the bedrooms have walk-in closets, and they're practically above ground, so there's quite a lot of natural light. That's the walk-in closet. Updated washroom. The other bedroom with a walk-in closet. So this bedroom is really nice. It has two big windows and they face the animals and it's really nice. A lot of nature. And this is the walk-in closet. Huge, like this could be another bedroom. And then the laundry mudroom space is awesome. It has its own door and you can walk out, of course, of the basement because it's just a walkout basement. All right, let's go back upstairs. As soon as you get here, this living room is massive. Pot lights, vaulted ceilings. It's absolutely massive. Beautiful laminate floors. View spectacular. Wood stove. Heat pump right there. These doors open up to the patio as well. You're just gonna get a better view here of the living room. And then the dining room. Updated kitchen, tons of windows which have also been updated. They're all double pane, stainless steel appliances. Mountain views. Here's the pantry. And this door walks out to the back. Okay, so back into the living room area. Here was the dining room and kitchen. And on this side, this is beautiful. It's all open and that's the entranceway. And the master. Really big rooms in this house. And this is a walk-in closet as well. Lots of windows. You're looking at 3 windows. A lot of natural light. And a gorgeous bathroom. Freshly painted. Stand-up shower, separate tub. Oh, I might as well show you this. This is at the living room. Oh, open this up.